Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Today we are going to my brother-in-law's home after so many days. It's morning time. सुबह हम जल्दी निकल आए थे और मैंने नाश्ता भी नहीं किया था. So now we have reached there and I'm going to the kitchen to make some breakfast for me. First, I am making a hot cup of tea. Then I will be having a light breakfast like I will make fry egg with toast.
What it means, but there's a smile upon your face, and I see something shimmering in your eyes. And they say if you want
It has always been very confusing for me to use someone else's kitchen, and perhaps this issue can happen with most of the people. बिकॉज अपने घर के किचन में आपको सब चीज़ों का पता होता है कि आपने किस जगह पर उसको रखा हुआ है, सो यू डोंट फेस एनी प्रॉब्लम टू फाइंड एनीथिंग. लेकिन किसी और के किचन में जाकर हर चीज़ को पहले फाइंड करना और फिर उससे कोई आपने फूड प्रिपेयर करना, तो इट्स अ टास्क.
find it hard to not give in. So the days became
My very yummy breakfast is ready, so let's eat.
you were slowly fading.
I do not eat half-cooked yolk every day, but sometimes I like to eat just for the change.
So completely gone.
All I need, you don't have to look at me or anything, but when I say hello, friends, could you just say hello so I know you hear me? Hello, friends.
Hello.
Oh, that made me feel good. Okay, actually, help my ego out. I'm going to do that one more time. Hello, friends. Woo! All right.
After breakfast, we came to a very interesting multicultural expo where people of different countries represent their countries by their country's flag, wearing traditional or cultural outfits of their countries and decorating stalls of different objects. So overall, it's a fun activity whether you just go to see all the activity or to arrange a stall. At stage, different people are coming with holding their flags. Unfortunately, Pakistan's flag is missing because that was not registered. So next year, inshallah, I will request the management to add Pakistan as well.
Everybody should just give that dress a round of applause. All right.
Now let's have a look around all the stalls to see the diversity in community. पूरा फेस्टिवल आउटडोर है, but weather is good and sun is behaving well. This is our first experience to visit any multicultural festival, but it's cool. We didn't know it before, but inshallah next year we may also arrange our separate stall.
फेस पेंटिंग भी हो रही है. हाँ मतलब कि मैं Pakistan.
You forget about your husband, huh?
Hey, take your sister with you.
Go walk around the room.
I'm enjoying this cute small rice cup with tiny spoon. Me and my husband both are completely in Indian and Pakistani traditional dresses. ये एक इंडियन स्टॉल है, इस पर बहुत ही ट्रेडिशनल इंडियन ड्रेसेस एंड ज्वेलरी है. एवरीथिंग इज सो ब्यूटीफुल.
Which one is dull? Yeah, I will put them on.
That women wear in India.
Yeah.
And these are like saris that
Going to hear some beautiful Indian classical music played on the sitar by Dr. Khan. So if any of you actually did think to bring your chairs or your blankets and would just like to come out on the lawn and enjoy, you are more than welcome to do that. Or you can continue meandering while we listen to this music. Off with a round of applause for Dr. Khan. All right.
My husband is really good at playing sitar, so the management of this festival requested him to play some for all of them.
Different places that we come from and the different cultures that make us one great place to live together. Yes. We seize today, and we are going to start the right way with a proclamation.
Food trucks are also parked at one side and they have variety of food, but we are looking for some halal food. Finally we found a Mediterranean food truck. Let's check its menu and place the order. So we got gyro, chicken shawarma and Italian cheesecake for dessert with plain water and coke. Now we are back to our car. We have finished our lunch. Now I'm eating my cake. हम घर पहुंच चुके हैं और अब मैं और मेरे ब्रदर इन लॉ वी बोथ आर मेकिंग सूजी का हलवा. Janab, halwa is ready and it's light in color, but I remember we had a dark brown color of halwa at my home, at my parents' home actually. But this also looks good and it smells really, really awesome. Let's enjoy with some green tea. आज का पूरा दिन हमने अपने घर से बाहर गुजारा है, but it was really, really fun and this is the last visit of this day to one of the family friends' home. I'm so excited. A very nice lady is doing a creativity with henna on my hand. It feels like a perfect coziest bonfire night. I hope you enjoy my today's vlog. I will see you next time. Take care.